Good morning, family. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. This is Joyce speaking here from Vihiga County. Yeah, I landed here and I can tell you I'm so happy. You can't imagine how happy I am. It has been a while and it is very early in the morning. Actually, it's around 6:30 in the morning and uh, I woke up early at least to do a little bit of walking and jogging, and I thought of let me say hi as I also introduce this vlog because this will be my day in the village vlog, as I can tell you. And as you can see, I'm standing just in one of our lands or shambas, and yeah, so let me go home because I'm a little bit far from home, and then we'll talk in the day. But in the meantime, let me show you the path that I'll follow, how tough it is. It had really rained at night, and the roads are so slippery. So let me show you how the road looks. Yeah, and you hear the sound of the birds. Look at how the roads look. Yeah, this is one of the small paths that we usually follow. Yeah, so this is how the road looks. So let me go home. I'll show you how. Actually, we'll talk later. Yeah, and so guys, now this is my late grandfather's land. Yeah, this is where actually it starts from somewhere at the corner there, somewhere there. This is my great grandfather's land, and brother to my dad, we call him Baba Mdogo. He stays here. Now the land, it's a big land here, so it comes all the way here. So for today we won't be entering my late grandfather's farm, but I'll show you maybe in a different video. When we enter, then we'll see. So let us go so that I can show you my dad's land. Anyway guys, so I'm with my mom and she has told me we enter and see how it is. Now this is my late grandfather's land, sorry. And as you can see how beautiful, see how green it is. I just love this place. I really love this place. As you can see, I love this place. It's so beautiful. So as you can see, those houses back there, that house at the end, at the left end, that is my late grandfather's house. We thought of let us not demolish it, let it be there just for remembrance. And the other one on the far right, it used to be my uncle's land, but he moved from this place, so we just left it. We left it there, just it is used like a store. As you come this way, just see at those bananas, how beautiful they are. Let me say hi to my uncle first. Baba Mdogo busie. Yeah, so guys, I've met my Baba Mdogo, and see how beautiful His farm is... Hii ni matunda gani?
Hii ni passion.
Passion.
Ile kubwa.
Wow. Siku ile itaanza kuninisi, it will be so beautiful.
Flowering, eh? Niliona tungine tumeanza kuanguka ni kama
zimeanza
ni kama imeanza kutoa flowering.
Now this is a passion fruit tree. Just see how beautiful our land is.
Juni anazidi kuniuliza kila wakati.
Haki wangekuja saa vile mamake alikuwa anaingia kazi.
Umeenda kwa kukaa huko juu? Hata ilikufa. Nani alienda huko?
Look at that banana. Just look at... Let me show you. Wow! Look at this.
Hey, Joy. Jerry.
Look at how big this banana is. Na bado haijakoma?
Bado.
Sasa sitakuwa refu sana. Ni inafaa
thickness. Ngine hii.
Yes, see. Wow, let me show you this.
Kulia huko ama
hapa. Uko na ng'ombe kubwa. Hii ni breed gani?
Clay ndio nichekesha. Babu mdogo, tumeenda kwako. Nimeona ng'ombe kubwa. Hiyo ng'ombe. Sasa hiyo ni kukamuliwa, naambia ndio kukamuliwa. Na nani kwa nakamua, naambia huyu babu tu ndiye atakuwa nakamua. Alafu anaenda kuuza maziwa. Junior. Hii ni Asha. Not Asha. Freshen.
Ni poa.
Ilitolewa nini? Ilitolewa kwa nini huko kwa Raju huko Eldoret.
Okay. Ni kubwa.
Ilinunuliwa, tuliletewa kwa loan na county.
So I can tell you guys, actually we also have dogs. So guys, I can tell you I just love country life. See those purples. Oh my. So our baba mdogo's farm it's just next to our farm. The trees are the border. We haven't fenced the whole land on our side, so the trees are just the borders. The next side, that is our land. So let me show you our land. So let's meet on the other side. Okay, look at this flower. I just love. Actually, right now it's raining in Western, and I can tell you crops are really flourishing, and we are hoping by the grace of God the rain will keep on so that the crops can grow well. So we are leaving our late grandfather's land. Let us go to the other side, guys. Now this is where our land begins, all the way. So as you continue, when we just fenced part of where the house is. This is where the fence begins. This is a live fence. We call it a live fence. Yeah. Now this is our dad's, or my dad's farm. Now look at those beautiful flowers. Actually, I'm with my mom right now. Now this is our farm, and as we continue, this is where the main entrance or the gate is. Yeah, this is our gate. Hii gate inafaa ipakwe rangi. Yeah, this is our gate. As you can see, it's our gate. Yeah, now this is now our my dad's farm. We have different fruits here. We have guavas, and let me share with you, I've been told that it is a season for the guava, so we'll be going to the shamba because these ones, it's like kids have plucked every guava on it. So we'll be going to the shamba. There are some other trees on the shamba so that we can be able to get guava. So let me show you. Now this is our dad's farm. We fenced just part of the where the house is, as you can see. In fact, where the fence ends, the other side is still our land. That is the latrine or the toilet, the outside toilet, because we have outside toilet, outside bathroom, and we have uh, a, a toilet and a bathroom also inside the main house. As you come this way, we have, that is an old house that right now we are using as a store and also a kitchen. That is where we use firewood. I'll be showing you in a different video our fireplace. As we come on this side, we have our main house here. Let me show you our main house. It's still under construction. We have not finished. We haven't finished it yet. Yeah. Where is remaining, we have this veranda that we have to, the windows have to be installed and the outside door. But as you can see, the main house, we are using it right now. My parents moved into the main house, and yeah, let me show you our backyard. See all this firewood. Hey, if this was Nairobi, oh God, I can tell you I could make a lot of money with this. I could make a lot of money with this firewood. Now this is our backyard. This is the back door. As you come this way, we have a water tank, and we do water harvesting. We harvest the rainwater. Look at the bananas. Oh, it's not focusing well because of look at the bananas now. We also have avocado, an avocado tree. It's right here. Avocado tree. So this is our backyard. I'll be showing you. Okay, these also are the bananas, sweet bananas to be specific. They're still young. So in short, our farm goes all the way to down there, all the way. So we have a big farm, and I really thank God for that. I really thank God for my dad also. So basically, this is just a small tour of our farm. Yeah. So I had at the beginning of the video, I had said that this will be how I spend my day, but I think this is just a small tour of our house. I've not shown you more of the guavas. Let me show you. These are more guava trees. In the course of the day, and at least the sun has gone up, we'll try and see if we can be able to climb the trees or to pluck guavas. Yeah, so this is my parents' house, and it's still under construction. Just need to work on a few things before final paint is applied on it. So thank you so much. I know I'll continue updating you and showing you more of what I'll be doing in the village. And let me show you before I forget. Look at these rocks. Look at these rocks. Actually, our land has a lot of, leave alone our land, our village has a lot of rocks, and this is just like a small rock. We have very big rocks. When I go out, I'll show you the big rocks that we have in our land. So sometimes we don't buy ballast. Actually, when we started building this house, we didn't buy ballast. What we did, we just found someone who came and was able to break these rocks into ballast. Yeah, and that saved us a lot on the side of buying ballast, and that is what we used to build our parents' house. So thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Press that notification button so that you'll be notified every time that I upload. I can tell you guys, I just love the view. I just love that peace someone has when you are at home. It is so beautiful. We have a mango tree there, and it has a very nice shade. Very, very nice shade, I can tell you. Yani, this place is so cool. It's so cool. I just love everything about upcountry life. And I wish one day I could also have a farm like this, just to sit at home and do my things and just do my own things, because sometimes even being employed, it is the hustle and bustle of life. So thank you so much. Stay tuned for more content.